You only get 3 packs. All right, let's go ahead and crack the first one open. Let me raise this up a little bit more. Move my little mat over. All right. I mean, I like select basketball. I like select football. So hopefully this doesn't disappoint. All right. We have Fingers Rolling from the Oakland A's. We have a Pedro Martinez from the Boston Red Sox. Ichiro from the Seattle Mariners. And Mario Soto from the Cincinnati Reds. All right. Is this one numbered? No, don't look like it. All right, we'll sit this one down here. That's a thick card. I mean, they look nice so far. Can't really complain. All of those are concourse level.